Step 1. Install the support foot onto the shelf using the handle screw. Step 2. Connect the two shelves using the two fixing connecting plates. Step 3. Install two hooks and two hook washers using the hook screws. Step 4. Connect the two small shelves using the two shelf connecting pieces. Step 5. Attach the small shelf support foot to the shelf. Step 6. Attach the installed small shelf to the small shelf support foot. Step 7. Hang the installed product on the windowsill, adjusting the distance between the support feet and the windowsill to ensure the plant stand is horizontally aligned.